welcome to the small part of internet, my channel. So today I just want to tell you COVID-19 is around. Don't go out, stay safe, wear mask and fight COVID-19. Okay, so as I say, this is just an experienced show. आज म तपाईहरुलाई मेरो कपालको बारेमा केही कुरा experience गर्न जाँदैछु. Really I want to share, my hair is really having a bad condition now. It's really dry, एकदमै frizzy and hair falls a lot. So मेरो frizzy hair लाई हल्का smooth बनाउनको लागि I have Watson's anti-frizz treatment wax. So I've never tried it before, that's why I'm making videos. Let's see how it affects. र यो ट्राई गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ I think one day मै यसको चेन्जेस त आउँदैन. The box looks like this, the bottle look like this. It's like coffee color or brown, I'm not so sure what the color. Let's open it. Let's uncover it, guys. This is how it looks like. It looks really smooth and smell is also not so bad. Smell is okay, that much amount. So I'm going to apply it on my hair. And guys, I have no idea why I'm wearing only one glove in my right hand. So after applying the mask on my hair, I'm going to comb it so that the mask will spread all over my hair. And as always, oh my god, my hair falls a lot. Look at it. It really stressed me out. After you tie your hair, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, this is my homemade hairnet. This is a cotton t-shirt. This is an old t-shirt, so I'm not going to use it. So I turn it into my hairnet. You can use it as well, like this. So 10 minutes over, let's go and wash it. Ta-da! I'm ready. So I can feel my hair, it's too soft, too fluffy. I can feel a little bit change already. Of course, it's just a one day I tried. I cannot expect vast difference within a day, though it's not visible, but I can feel the changes. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye.